To activate Demo Mode, pressing the settings repeatedly to reach Demo Mode submenu. Demo, press 1 to enable, scrolling on the display. Press 1 button to activate the demo mode. Pressing the settings button or waiting a few seconds will save your entry. Demo on. Use settings to exit. On the display once, demo icon will be on. The demo mode is now activated. To inactivate demo mode, pressing the settings repeatedly to reach demo mode submenu. Demo, press 1 to disable, scrolling on the display. Press 1 button to inactivate the demo mode. Pressing settings button or waiting a few seconds will save the entry. Disable demo mode on the display once, demo icon will be off. The demo mode is now inactivated.